Just another day in the life of a goddamn truck driver, y'all. Look at this shit. I'm getting hauled out. Damn, that thing is strong as shit.